Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back if you're one of my returning subscribers. So I'm super excited to be filming this video because I just received a package from Temu. I went ahead and gave in. I've been seeing the Temu ads on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, on TV, all of that. So I was like, you know what? Let me just give in and order some supplies from there. I am a crafter, so I have my own crafting business where I make custom shirts and cups for those of you who don't know. And I also teach individuals on how to get started with their crafting business as well. So I do have a course available and everything will be linked down in my description box below. But I do film from time to time some crafting ideas using HTV and doing just creative videos where I do post on here as well in regards to crafting ideas. But I wanted to do a mini Temu haul, so I did purchase a few things from their website. If I like the quality of it, I will be purchasing other things because they have so many things to choose from. Not only crafting, but they have like house supplies, they have clothing, they have car supplies, they have anything you could think of, they have it on their website, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and a little mini haul so you guys can see what I got. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. This is how the packaging looks. And I heard that they don't have an actual like box where they ship your items, that they always have it like this or in like their orange bag. I'm not sure. You guys can comment below if you have purchased from their website and how the packaging came. But we are going to see, because I did order a DTF, a shirt. I only ordered one because I wanted to test out the quality first. So in my next video, I will be showing you that. And I also ordered a UV DTF wrap for a glass cup. So I might film those two together in my next video. So let's go ahead and open this up. I do want to be careful that I'm not ripping anything else out. And for their prices, guys, it's very affordable, and they offer the buy now, pay later option. If I'm not mistaken, I believe everything here was like $70 and I paid like $30. I'm gonna recheck my order receipt and let you guys know, but I did pay, everything here was like $30 something, but the price was more. So you do get a good deal because they do have tons of coupons you can use. So the first item that I got was this little clamper for the tumbler, because I make a lot of tumblers and my problem is I would have to like hold it tight with one hand, try to tape it with the heat resistant tape, and it's just a whole mess, right? So I've been seeing a lot of people use this clamper where you clamp it in the middle and it makes it easier for you. You can be able to tape it up with no problem because this will hold the paper together tight versus you having to struggle with one hand and doing it like that. So I did get it in this nice peachy color. So once you open it up, right, and you put the paper on the tumbler, you go ahead and clamp it and it's supposed to hold it together. So I will be showing you that as well in my next video. So the next item that I did purchase was heat resistant gloves, and this comes with two. You have to be careful. You have to read the description because some of them only come with one. Another YouTuber girl who I watched, she purchased the gloves and she only got one. So make sure that you get the one that has 2 packs. And to be honest, guys, I've been in the crafting business for about 2 years and I'm just now using the heat resistant gloves. I've always used my kitchen gloves, which it goes perfect with what I'm doing, right? Because it's gonna protect my hands from the heat. But I finally got the actual ones. Don't ask why it took so long. So I got the black and pink ones, and that's good because it's gonna protect your hand from getting burned. You know, especially if you're a crafter and you're making tumblers, once you take it out, it's extremely hot, so you want to be careful, right? So that's where the heat resistant glove plays its part. So I did also order the blue masking tape. I don't know how this is gonna work because I always get mine from like Home Depot or on Amazon. So we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna be getting a convention oven soon, and I know I can buy it brand new from Amazon or go to my local Walmart or anything like that. But one of the YouTubers that I follow, she actually went to Goodwill and purchased a convention oven there. That's highly recommended if you don't know if you want to go that route, but you do want to test it out. You can go to Goodwill and they have it for like $8, $10, $12, and you can test it out. And if you like it, you can continue using it if that one works for you, or you can get a brand new one. So I am going to be going to Goodwill, seeing if they have a convention oven and testing it out. So I bought this because when you use the convention oven, you can use the tumbler wrap. It's like a white wrap that you use, and you got to use a heat gun to secure the wrap onto the cup. But another YouTuber that I follow uses masking tape. So that's why I bought the blue masking tape from Temu, because I was already shopping on there. So I just wanted to test it out and see how their masking tape works. Another goodie that I've been wanting to get, that I've been holding out on, is this right here. So you place your tumbler, whether it's the 20 ounce or the glass tumbler, you place it on here, and it's like a rubber filling. It's going to be secured in the middle, so you can go ahead and place the design, and it's easier for you. And it also comes with this tool right here. And then I bought this cute, which the picture on Temu would look way bigger, but it's okay. It's a thank you for your order roll of stickers. I have thank you stickers, but I'm almost out, so I wanted to just get this cute one. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I also received again, 2 years in the crafting business, and I went like old school, cutting my images and stuff with scissors, which is okay. But I wanted to like jump on the wagon and get a paper cutter, but the cut is more precise. So I got this cute pink one. Let me take it out so I can show you guys. They do have bigger ones, but I wanted to get this size right here. And what else did I get? So this DTF transfer for the shirts was gonna be bigger. Probably I made a mistake and didn't click on the large, but it's okay. I'm gonna still use this for my shirt. This says I can totally make that, and it has the heat press, it has the sublimation printer, it has gloves, shirt, the laptop, all of that. So I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe I can take it out from the wrap. And then this is how the back looks. And then this is the UV DTF wrap for a glass cup. It's a little Minnie Mouse image with little hearts going on, and it's pink and red. I love UV DTF wraps. It's similar to vinyl, but it's different because once you put it on the cup, you cannot take it out to like refix it. But there is a way to take out the whole wrap if you want to be able to, like if you do mess up and you want to take it out, there is a way. I do have 2 videos showing you guys that, one on a glass cup and one on a tumbler, so you can go check that out. But I will also put that down below so you guys can watch that. But I'm into UV DTF wraps. It's so much easier, you know, it's fun. A lot of people are into that too, but I still do sublimation cups, like especially on my tumblers. But I've been into the UV DTF wraps. I've also been into the DTF sublimation hack. I do that a lot to all my shirts, my customer shirts. And then lastly, I wanted to order this, I don't know how they were able to fit all this in this little bag. So this box did come open, but it's okay. Some of the pieces came out. So I wanted a tape dispenser for my heat resistant tape because I use my table, like I pull some tape out, I cut it with the scissors, and I put the tape on the table so that it's easier for me. Like I'll cut a few pieces, place it on the table, and it's good to go, right? But I wanted to get a tape dispenser that's strictly for that reason, so that it's easier for me. So I did buy this teal color one. This is how it looks. So you put the tape here, and then you're able to, wait, is it? Yeah. So you put the tapes here, and then it's easier for you to, I guess you turn it like this. This is my first time using it. And then it comes out, and it's easier for you to use. So I don't know where this little piece goes because it did come out the box, but they have the instruction manual inside, so I'll figure it out. But that's everything that I received from Temu, and I will be ordering some more items from them. I will be testing out the UV DTF wrap for the Libby cup and also for the shirts. I'm gonna actually buy a shirt today, so I might just do like film another video showing you guys how I love it, if it's a good quality, should you get it or not. But I'm super excited to try everything else out. I will be ordering more supplies from them, crafting supplies, house supplies. So stay tuned for more Temu haul videos. This was just a small mini haul because I did get a few items because it was my first time purchasing from their site. But the quality on everything is good. Like you can tell if it was like a cheap quality or high good quality. And from what I can tell, each item that I did purchase feels good. So I'm going to be testing them out. Like I'm going to put my tape on here. I'm going to try the paper cutter. I have a tumbler that I have to get done, so I'm going to try the clamper for that. So I'm super excited with my purchase. And if you are interested in ordering from Temu, you can just go check out their website. And stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be showing you guys how I like the DTF wraps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I do post a new video. And until next time, I'll see you again.